Good day everyone, my name is Solly Jones and welcome to episode 3 of Garage Talk. Today we'll be talking about the AC and your controls for you to activate in your AC. So we have recycle mode right here, which will then show on the screen once it's activated, and then it'll be outside air, which will then show you the symbol that the air is actually coming from the outside. This is a good example of a cabin filter that haven't been changed for many years. To check now to see if your AC needs servicing at times. If it tends to blow hot air while you're at idle, it could probably be one of your fans in the front not working. It could be a faulty AC compressor as well. If you tend to be in a stop or you're somewhere just having the vehicle idle and it seems to blow warm air, that's also a sign that either one of the radiator fans are bad or the AC compressor is definitely faulty as well. With the heat that we're feeling right now, feel free to come in at TDC to have your AC checked. We offer having the system vacuumed, getting rid of all the air or clogs inside the AC lines, and also the AC service of refilling it with gas.